The boat you're looking at is a 2015 Formula 310 Sunsport. She's located in Surf City, North Carolina. The current owner of the boat custom ordered the boat from Formula, and they have decided they want to go to a different style of boat, more of a dual console, which is why this boat's on the market and available. And I'll give you my best effort at a video tour of the boat today. She does have a windlass, and you can see she's got the Bimini top with the aft extension and a full enclosure. In addition, there's a cockpit storage cover, which again was custom ordered when the boat was built from Formula. Very attractive gel coat pattern. Walking around to the stern of the boat, where you can see we've got Bravo 3 twin prop outdrives. In addition, this boat was also built with the Axius joystick docking system, and that also includes SkyHook and autopilot. She's got the biggest engine package available, which are the high output 435 horsepower engines. Looking obviously up to the swim platform and aft facing seat. See, we've got stereo speakers. Off on the port side, there's a remote control for the stereo and a hot and cold shower. And as we pan off to the starboard side here, you can see we've got our shore power inlet and shore water hookup. All right, we'll step up and get a look at the cockpit. Getting a little better shot of that aft facing seat. And a look at the cockpit seating. Starboard side, get a better look when we step in, but you've got a U-shaped seat, double wide helm seat. And off on the port side here, we've got a cockpit wet bar with sink and storage below. Steps into the boat. See, she's got the weave cockpit carpets. I don't see any splits, tears, cuts, or imperfections in the seats. I'll get you a closer look at the helm, but just an overview from here. You can see we've got our steps that walk through to the bow area, and off on the port side we've got a companion seat. So the double wide helm seat, you can see, has the flip up thigh rises, so you can stand, lean, or drop those down and sit. And I'll look obviously at the aft seat. You can see the enclosure has U-zips. Alright, coming over to the helm. I'm going to start right here because you can see again the joystick, and then this control is for the SkyHook and the autopilot. Got the electronic shift and throttle. And that unit on the right is also optional. It's called a vessel view, which gives you a digital readout of all your engine diagnostics. We've got the high-end Raymarine. It's a hybrid touch, so obviously everything is touch screen. Off on the port side, you can see we've got tacks, and there's a chain counter for the windlass, which is Kind of an unusual option. And down here we've got a remote for the stereo and the ICOM VHF radio. And as I pan over, there's a gas fume detector right here. Just got a little bit of spring dust on her, but this boat has seen light use. As of today, which is May 5th, the boat has 114 hours on the engines. And speaking of the engines, let's pan around and I'll run the engine hatch up so we can take a look at the muscle. So you can see with this large hatch, you've got excellent access to the big 8.2 mag high output engines, which again are rated at 435 horse per side. Closer look at the port engine. And I'll scan back over here to starboard. As I mentioned, this boat was custom ordered. It does have a lot of high dollar options to it. Your generator access is right below the floor right here, which I'll pop that hatch up and give you a look at the generator in just a second. Okay. So you can see we've got the Kohler generator. A 12-volt outlet over there if you want to plug a phone in. Again, steps up to the bow area. You can see we have two opening hatches, and the windlass is actually flush mounted underneath that forward hatch. There's also pop-up custom formula cleats, so you can see there's no toe grabbers on the foredeck whatsoever. All right, we'll take a look down below. Okay, so you can see we've got the forward V-berth, and we'll step down in. You can see we've got a birchwood look floor. Of course, that's where the table mounts. There's cushions that fill this area in for sleeping. The interior fabrics basically look unused. Panning across to the starboard side. And you can see we've got our flat screen TV here, the stereo, and digital controls for the heating and air conditioning system are there, along with a CO monitor. So our head compartment's right here, which I'll just pop that open quick and give you a look. So we've got the vacuum flush head system, which if anyone has had a vacuum flush head system, you know it's the best system out there, and you don't want to compromise on that. So we've got a privacy curtain. There's an opening hatch and sink and vanity. There's also a shower over in the corner right here. And as we look aft, you can see there's some storage down below. The dinette table is stowed there. and a designated storage area. That's the cushion to fill in the V-berth area. And I'm now panning over around to the galley, which is port side aft. You can see the refrigerator upper, got the microwave below, and the sink, of course. Again, I don't see any stains, tears, imperfections whatsoever down here. Got two opening hatches for natural ventilation and light. And we'll just step back out to the cockpit for a second. Alright, so you can see I've put the covers back over the electronics and zipped the U-zips. So again, thanks for taking a look at this 2015 31-foot Sunsport offered by Mike Knoll of MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. She's priced aggressively at $179,900. If you have any questions, please call me at 910-620-9903. That's 910-620-9903. Thanks again for your interest and taking the time to watch this.